Stress isn't just in your head, it hijacks your body. Your heart races, your jaw tightens, your shoulders lock up. But what if you could see stress happening inside you and then switch it off? That's biofeedback. And stick around, because at the end, one surprise is waiting for you. Break down the word biofeedback. Bio means your body, your heart rate, your muscles, even your brain waves. Feedback means seeing it in real time, usually on a screen or an app. And feedback is usually used to improve something, so you get the feedback regarding your physiological function and modify to calm yourself down, and then see the graphs change in the monitor as well as in the body. It reminds you of your control over the stress. Basically, your body talks, you watch, and then you train it to stay calm under pressure. Now, can we try with some examples from real life? Let's say your pulse is racing, normally 60 to 100 beats a minute, but stress shoots it up. A biofeedback device shows the spike. Now you breathe slowly, in for 4, out for 6. Your parasympathetic system kicks in, heart rate dips, and you see stress melting away. That's real-time control, or take headaches. When you're stressed, forehead and jaw muscles tighten. EMG sensors pick it up. You consciously relax them, and the graph drops instantly. You don't just feel calmer, you watch your body proving it's possible. Wondering where to try the biofeedback? The BCIA, the Biofeedback Certification International Alliance, has a global directory of certified practitioners across 38 countries. Their website lets you search by location, specialty, even treatment focus. And yes, you can directly email therapists from the listings to ask about sessions near you. Of course, you don't need a clinic every day. Wearable heart rate trackers on your wristband, or apps like Mindfield Biosystem's eSense, for skin response, pulse, muscle, and temperature, work on iOS and Android. They're powerful, but fair warning, they can be pricey, especially in countries like India. No paid promo, just facts. Here's that surprise I promised. You can try biofeedback for free. No gadgets needed. Just check your pulse with your fingers. Notice if it's high. Now breathe slowly. Deep inhale, longer exhale. Recheck. Feel the difference? Or scan your body for tension, jaw, forehead, shoulders. Release, then recheck. That's DIY biofeedback. Your body is the machine, and awareness is the screen. So the next time stress hijacks your body, remember, you're not helpless. Whether it's through a certified therapist, an app, or just your own awareness, biofeedback teaches you to calm the storm. Now I want to hear from you. Have you ever tried calming your own stress signals? Share your story in the comments.